Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Facts for Dummies, your go-to place for all things mind-blowing and fascinating. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, 10 lesser-known psychology facts that will totally blow your mind. We're not talking about the stuff you've heard a million times before, nope. We're going deep into the human psyche, uncovering some really cool and unexpected insights. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. Fact 1, the color red can make you fail a test. Alright, let's kick things off with a weird one. Did you know that just seeing the color red before taking a test can actually make you perform worse? Yep, it's true. Studies have shown that the color red is often associated with danger and mistakes, which can unconsciously stress you out and lower your test scores. So, next time you're prepping for an exam, maybe stick with a blue pen instead, just a thought. Fact 2, we're all guilty of the Ikea effect. Here's a fun one, have you ever felt an irrational attachment to something just because you put it together yourself? Well, that's the Ikea effect in action. People tend to place a higher value on things they've created or assembled with their own hands, even if it's just a flat-pack dresser from Ikea. It's like your brain saying, hey, I built this. It's awesome. Even if it's a little wobbly. How many of you have experienced this? Drop a comment below. Fact 3, the Pratfall effect, being perfect isn't always perfect. Here's something that'll make you feel better about your next blunder. There's something called the Prattfall effect, which suggests that making a small mistake can actually make you more likable. People tend to prefer those who aren't perfect all the time because it makes them more relatable. So, next time you trip over your words or spill your coffee, don't stress, just own it. It might actually make you more charming. Fact 4, your brain loves making up stories. Ever catch yourself filling in gaps in your memory with details that might not be true? That's your brain doing its thing. It's called confabulation, and it's when your brain creates false memories to make sense of what it doesn't fully remember. This isn't about lying, it's just your brain's way of keeping the story straight, even if it's not 100% accurate. Pretty wild, right? If you've ever realized you remembered something that didn't actually happen, hit that like button. Fact 5, the bystander effect, why no one helped. Let's talk about something that's a little more serious but super important to know. It's called the bystander effect. This is when people are less likely to offer help in an emergency when there are others around, because everyone assumes someone else will step in. It's a weird psychological quirk that can have real-life consequences. So, the next time you see someone in need, remember this fact and be the one who takes action. Fact 6, cute aggression, when cuteness overloads your brain. Have you ever seen something so cute that you just wanted to squeeze it, like, really hard? That's called cute aggression, and it's when your brain gets overwhelmed by cuteness to the point where it feels almost aggressive. Scientists think it's your brain's way of balancing out the intense positive emotions, so you don't get too overwhelmed. It's like when you see a puppy and say, "You're so cute, I can't stand it." It's your brain trying to cope with all that adorableness. Fact 7, the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, why you see things everywhere. Here's one that'll make you say, whoa, that's totally happened to me. It's called the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, or the frequency illusion. Ever learn a new word or concept, and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere? That's your brain's way of focusing on something new and then noticing it more often. It's not that the thing is suddenly everywhere, it's just that your brain is more tuned in. Have you ever experienced this? Let me know in the comments. Fact 8, the Pygmalion effect, how expectations shape reality. Did you know that other people's expectations can actually shape your reality? This is known as the Pygmalion effect. When someone expects you to succeed, you're more likely to do well, and the same goes for low expectations leading to poorer performance. It's a powerful reminder of how much influence our thoughts and words can have on each other. So, keep those positive vibes going. Fact 9, your brain can't actually multitask. Now, I know we all like to think we're awesome multitaskers. But here's the truth, multitasking is a myth. What's really happening is your brain is quickly switching between tasks, and it's not as efficient as you think. In fact, it can lead to more mistakes and take longer than focusing on one thing at a time. So, the next time you're trying to juggle a million things, try focusing on just one. Your brain will thank you. Fact 10, the cheerleader effect, why people look better in groups. Have you ever noticed that people tend to look more attractive when they're in a group? That's called the cheerleader effect, and it's real. When people are grouped together, our brains tend to average out their features, making everyone look a bit better than they might on their own. It's like instant photo enhancement, no filter needed. If you've got a squad that makes you look better, shout them out in the comments. And there you have it, 10 lesser-known psychology facts that just might change the way you see the world. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.